How to fix HVCI is enabled in Valorant. So if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. So first thing we need to do is open up the start menu, and then you can go and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security. You can then scroll down and click on device security. You'll see core isolation, click on core isolation details, and you need to make sure that memory integrity is turned off. So if you have this feature turned on, make sure it's switched to off, and once you've done this, you'll need to go and restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can check to see if that solved the Valorant error. If it's still not working, then you'll need to go and enable virtualization technology in your BIOS. Now this will differ depending on your model of computer, but basically you need to head over to the BIOS page on your computer. You then need to look for a feature either called SVM mode or virtualization technology, and you just need to make sure it's enabled, and once you've done that, you should then be able to play Valorant.